Feeling overwhelmed planning your perfect Halloween? What if data and psychology could be your secret weapon? Welcome to Quick Daily Facts. Today, we're not just sharing trivia. We're giving you 6 data-backed hacks to master the spooky season, save money, and become the ultimate Halloween host. Hack number 1. Ditch the default chocolate. Did you know that non-chocolate candy is officially outselling chocolate? Circana research data shows non-chocolate candy sales are up 4.5%, while chocolate is down 13.7%. Rising costs are making shoppers seek better value. Hack number 2. Order early or cook at home. Did you know that Halloween crashing into a Friday creates a perfect storm for restaurants? It's the busiest dine-out night of the week colliding with the chaos of costumes. Hack number 3. Achieve a last-minute killer look. Focus on the eyes, not the entire costume. Did you know the beauty industry gets a massive Halloween boost? It's all about transformation. Hack number 4. Pick your costume path. Did you know it's almost a 50-50 split between people who buy their costumes and those who make them? So you can pick what works for you best. Hack number 5. Get ahead of the holiday rush. Let Halloween be your holiday reminder. Did you know that nearly a quarter of all shoppers are already ticking names off their holiday list? Hack number 6. Synthesize for success. Did you know that using just a few of these hacks together positions you for the best night possible? So, there you have it. 6 data-driven facts to transform your Halloween from stressful to spectacular. It's not just about following trends. It's about making them work for you. Now you're equipped to have your best Halloween yet. Which hack are you trying first? Let us know in the comments, and subscribe for more facts that give you the edge.